सारा पैसा ना चिट फंड में डाल दे, 21 दिन में पैसा डबल।
Hi, imagine you gave your money to someone who promised to double it overnight, but then they disappear with your money. That's called a scam. Today I'll explain how scammers trick people, what our law says about it, and how can you stay safe. All in simple and fun way. What is a scam? A scam is when someone lies to take your money. They promise big rewards but don't keep their word. Like big scams in India, the Sarda chit fund scam and PNC bank fraud. Many people lost their hard-earned savings. Here's what happened in these two famous scams. First, Sarada chit fund scam. A company promised big profits but was actually using new investors' money to pay the old ones. A Ponzi scheme. When it collapsed in 2013, over 1.7 million people lost money, mostly small investors. Second, PNC bank fraud. This bank hid huge bad loans to one company and lied about its health. People couldn't withdraw money for months, causing panic. And then RBI and police stepped in to investigate. How scammers trick people? Scammers use tricks like 1. Promising huge rewards. 2. Making fake stories to sound real. 3. They use such a fancy language that you can't even ask questions because you feel stupid. Don't worry, we have laws that stop scammers. Few of them are. Section 318 of BNS talks about cheating. If someone tricks you to take your money or property, that is called cheating. Punishment can be up to 3 years of imprisonment, fine, or both. Section 316 of PNS, that is the criminal breach of trust. If someone takes the money or property you trusted them with and keeps it, it's called breach of trust. Punishment can be up to 5 years of imprisonment, fine, or both. In serious cases like public servants, it can extend to 10 years or life imprisonment. Other law enforcement bodies. We also have special teams like PMLA, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, which follows the dirty money trail. Then we have SEBI that watches over money schemes and investors. And finally, we have ED and CBI that investigate and catch the scammers. What happens to scammers when they are caught? Scammers can go to jail for 3 to 10 years or even life in serious cases. They pay fines and return the stolen money, and courts help the victim get their money back. So how can you stay safe? First, if it sounds too good, be careful. Second, check official websites before trusting, such as MCA if the company is registered or not. Talk to family or experts before sending any sort of money. Never ever send money to strangers. And finally, keep learning because I am here to help. Scams are tricky, but laws, and you can stop them. Like and share if you learn something new. And if you want me to explain these laws in detail, drop a comment below. I'll make it super fun and easy.